Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making corn pudding and I'm using my Breville Smart Oven Air. This is basically a dump and go recipe, which makes it perfect for a weeknight side dish. You're going to need cheese, butter, Jiffy, eggs, sour cream, sweet corn, and cream corn. First, you're going to start by adding your Jiffy mix to a large mixing bowl. Next, you're going to add in a stick of melted butter, followed by your sweet corn that you have drained, and your cream corn. Now it's time to add in the eggs and sour cream. Finally, you're going to add some shredded cheese. Disclaimer, this is not good if you're trying to get summertime fine. Run far, far, far away from this dish if you are trying to be healthy. So we're just gonna stir it all up and keep mixing until everything is thoroughly combined. So once everything has come together, you're going to pour it into a greased baking dish. I'm using my 5-quart Le Creuset roasting pan. And now it's ready to bake. I placed it in my Breville at 325 degrees for about 45 to 60 minutes. And this is what it looked like when it was all done. And that's it. As always, another easy peasy recipe. And to add a little healthiness to this meal, I served it up with some air fryer green beans. I'll put a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And I also made my barbecue Mississippi pot roast. That link will be down below as well. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.